Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Hello and welcome to this video here at Blue Sky Graphics, the online graphic design school. So in this video, we are working with text. The text says you. And you could make any text you like. It could be thank you. It could be any other emotion, greeting. And we're working with this text and creating flower manipulations together. So here in this video, we're using the gradient tool. Use of tools are the eraser tool, the gradient, using the gradient panel, and we're turning text into shape and we're working on lines. The goal is to show joy and nature in graphic design as one. So we're using joy and nature as one. The gradient tool is a transition between colors of different values or hues, typically applied to a solid shape or text. In this case, the text says you. Now, they're extremely important in the creative realm. So in the graphic design world, gradients are used far and wide, often in branding, typography, logos, web design. Gradient fills are mostly used to create transitions between colors. Now, most often you'll find that gradients are used to add volume to flat vector objects, to create light and shadow. But today, like I mentioned earlier, we are using the gradient here to manipulate text and bear the word you next to joy and nature. Thank you and bye-bye.